Today we'll be having a look at the leading edge stone holder for the Lansky Sharpening System, sold on Gritomatic.com. It allows you to replace your original Lansky system or the original Lansky hones, or to use any other 4-inch and in the near future 6-inch type stones available for other sharpening systems too on the Lansky system. Let's put the original Lansky stone to the side, and I'll show installation of the system for the 4-inch stones onto the Lansky sharpening system. Firstly, you'll see, similar to the original Lansky hones, there's a hole in the back for your rod, which goes into position and locks into position with a thumb screw. We'll do that after we install the stone, because we always want to compensate for the thickness of the stones inside the system. So for example, let's install one of the Columbia Gorge Stoneworks diamond resin stones onto the holder. Loosen up the thumb screw in the back, open it up, align it nicely, and snug it up. Place it down on a table, hop in the Lansky rod into the hole, place it down flat on the table with the bottom of the rod level with the bottom of the stones in the Lansky. Snug that up, and now you can use 4-inch size stone on your Lansky system. Let's have a look at one of these Venev Cerberus or dog size stones, for example. Pop that one out, slide it into position, align it, snug it up, pop it down flat on the table, install the Lansky rod, level it with the table, snug it up, and use it on your Lansky system. Done one side, flip over the double-sided hone, pop it around, into position, snug it up, and continue using it.